Our Winner Tracker program is updated with the new strip feature. Let's explore it together. I've prepared a folder with the cards inside. Click the Browse button, choose the folder, and you're ready to go. You can choose the style you prefer by playing with the values in the options. I can click the cards and remove them from the strip at any time. Any changes will automatically be applied to OBS and your show. Click this button and add the strip overlay file to your OBS. And as you can see, the strip is now visible in OBS. If you want to use another folder with other cards, just repeat the process. Simply prepare the folder with the cards and you're ready to go. The strip feature is included in the new version of Winner Tracker. If you already have Winner Tracker, you'll see the update prompt when you restart the program. The strip function works with any vertical streaming platform, even TikTok. Have fun!